I am Mabel Rice, and I'm a professor in the Department of Speech Language Hearing here on campus, and I'm also a Distinguished Professor of Advanced Studies, the Merrill Distinguished Professor. The study shows that there may be a single gene that is perhaps one of several genes, but we've identified a candidate gene that would share an influence for both reading development and language acquisition in young children, and the name of this particular gene is KIAA0319, which is located in a particular part of the DNA. So the excitement is that it is a candidate gene for language acquisition, which we have not had defined in this way before, and it is also known to be a candidate gene for reading development as well. It seems to be a bit of a stretch to think there's genes that are controlling how good a child's grammar might be. On the other hand, the grammar is based in a whole host of complicated brain functions. It has to do with the structure of the cortex. It has to do when the central nervous system is really fully mature and ready to go. And that's why the National Institute of Health is very, very interested in this kind of work and the story that we're going to be learning more about.